Hey there, today we're diving into a problem related to table calculations. Picture this, you have a table with columns A, B, and C, where column B represents timestamps, and column C needs to calculate the time difference between consecutive rows in seconds. The initial calculation of equals B2, B1 wasn't quite cutting it, so we had to come up with a solution to get more accurate results. In comes the solution. By adjusting the calculation in column C to equal second B2, B1, we were able to get a clearer picture of the time differences in seconds between each row. This tweak allowed us to have a more precise understanding of the data and enabled us to move forward with better insights. Plus, updating the COUNTIF formula to equal C2, C2, 2, and 1 helped us identify specific patterns within the time differences more efficiently. In summary, by fine-tuning our calculations and formula, we were able to tackle the problem at hand and extract valuable information from the table data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Remember, tables may hold data, but it's the insights that truly count. See you next time.